11, the supply per month for a block is 440 units when the price is 68 and 380 units when the price is 56. By assuming that the price and quantity are linearly related, find the supply equation. Okay, now from the question we have here, okay, the first quantity is 440 when the price is 68. Okay, then the second quantity is 380 when the price is 56. Okay, so here we can write, okay, 440, 68 and 380, 56. Okay, what is our first step? Okay, first step by using M equals to P2 minus P1 divided by Q2 minus Q1. Okay, so now we have P2 is 56 minus P1 68. Okay, divided by Q2 is 380 minus Q1 440. So what is M? M is 0.2. Okay, step 2. By using P equals to MQ plus C, so now we choose one coordinate. I choose the first coordinate, that is Q is 440, P is 68 and our M is 0.2. Okay, so we have here 68 equals to 0.2 times 440 plus C. So here is 68 equals to 88 plus C. Okay, so now bring 88 to your left. Then we have here 68 minus 88 equals to C. What is C? C is negative 20. Okay, then don't forget to write down from P equals to MQ plus C, replace M and C. So we have here P equals to 0.2 Q minus 20. So this is our linear equation. Question 12. The demand per day for the selling of a box of mask is 3,500 boxes when the price is 35 per box, and 1,500 boxes when the price is 55 per box. Now, find the demand equation assuming that the price and quantity are linearly related. From the question, we have the first quantity is 3,500 and the price is 35. The second quantity is 1,500 and the price is 55. Here we can write as a coordinate. So we have here 3,500, 35 and 1,555. Okay, first step, we have to find the slope by using M equals to P2 minus P1 divided by Q2 minus Q1. So P2 is 55, Q1 is 35, divided by Q2 1,500 and Q1 3,500. So M is negative 0.01. Step 2. By using P equals to MQ plus C. So now choose one coordinate. So I choose the first coordinate. Therefore, quantity is 3,500. The price is 35 and the slope is negative 0.01. So here we have 35 equals to negative 0.01 times 3500 plus C. So we have 35 equals to negative 35 plus C. Okay, now bring negative 35 to your left. Then you have here 35 plus 35 equals to C. What is C? C is 70. Okay, then don't forget to write down C equals to MQ plus C. Now replace M and C. So we have C equals to negative 0.01 Q plus 7C.